Today we're going to talk about how to use a noun to modify another noun in Spanish. In English, one noun is often used to describe another noun. Vegetable soup, strawberry yogurt are two examples of this. In these cases, vegetable describes soup and strawberry describes yogurt. Notice that the noun that is being described comes second. In Spanish, however, the noun that is being described comes first and is followed by de and then the describing noun. La sopa de verduras, vegetable soup. El yogur de fresa, strawberry yogurt. You don't need to use an article in front of the second noun in Spanish. Remember, articles are el and la, that mean the. The form of the noun followed by de does not change even when the first noun becomes plural. So el sándwich de jamón, or ham sandwich, changes to los sándwiches de jamón, or ham sandwiches. Even though sandwich becomes plural, jamón remains singular because you don't have more than one ham. Alright, let's look at these three examples and figure out what they mean in English. Un sándwich de jamón, el jugo de naranja, el helado de chocolate. In the first example, ham describes sandwich, so it's a ham sandwich. In the second example, orange describes juice, so it's orange juice. And in the third example, chocolate describes ice cream, so it's chocolate ice cream. For this next part, try to figure out how you would say each of the food items. It might not be a bad idea to jot these down on a scrap sheet of paper just to test yourself as we work our way through. I will pause after each slide and give you a chance to write down your answer before we reveal the correct answer. So here's our first example. We have a sandwich and we have cheese. So how would you say a cheese sandwich? The correct answer would be un sándwich de queso, or sandwich of cheese, or cheese sandwich. For slide number 2, we have juice and we have an apple. So basically we're saying apple juice. How would you say apple juice in Spanish? The correct answer is el jugo de manzana, apple juice, juice of apple. For number 3, we have yogurt and we have pineapple. So how would you say pineapple yogurt? To say pineapple yogurt, you say el yogur de piña, or pineapple yogurt. Numero 4, we have soup and we have potatoes. So how would you say potato soup? If you put la sopa de papa, you are correct. Numero 5, we have juice and we have strawberries. So how would you say strawberry juice? In Spanish, to say strawberry juice, it is el jugo de fresa, the juice of strawberry. Numero 6, we have a sandwich and we have lemons. Sounds tasty, doesn't it? But how would you say lemon sandwich? If you put un sándwich de limón, you are correct. For numero 7, we have juice and we have an onion. So how would you say onion juice? If you put el jugo de cebolla, you're doing good. Nice job. Numero 8, we have yogurt and we have ham. So how would you say ham yogurt? The correct answer would be el yogur de jamón, or ham yogurt. For numero 9, we have soup and we have watermelon. So how would you say watermelon soup? If you put la sopa de sandia, nice job. And finally, for numero 10, we have yogurt and we have a carrot. So how would you say carrot yogurt? The correct answer is el yogur de zanahoria, or carrot yogurt. Well, hopefully that gives you a pretty good understanding of how to use one noun to modify another noun, which is something we do all the time in the English language. If you have questions, please step back and watch this video again. Good luck!